Next we have to continue online class. Second max and then subject is mathematical statistics 2. Third unit point estimation. Definition: if an estimate of a population parameter is given by a single value, then the estimate is called point estimate of the parameter. Example: E of t equal to theta. Next, maximum likelihood estimation. Let x1, x2, etc. xn be a random sample of size n from a population with a density function f of x comma theta, where theta is the parameter to be estimated. Then the likelihood function of the sample values x1, x2, etc. xn denoted by L is the joint density function is given by L equal to f of x1 comma theta, f of x2 comma theta, etc. f of xn comma theta equal to product of I varies from 1 to n f of xi comma theta. The function L gives a relative likelihood that the random variable assume a particular set of values x1, x2, etc. xn for a given sample x1, x2, etc. xn. Next, properties of maximum likelihood estimate. First, number 1, maximum likelihood estimate are consistent. Second one, maximum likelihood estimate need not necessarily be unbiased. Third one, maximum likelihood estimate are most efficient Next, fourth one, if sufficient if sufficient estimators if sufficient estimator exists, maximum likelihood estimates are sufficient. Fifth one, maximum likelihood estimate have the invariance probability. Next definition: interval estimation. If an estimate of a population parameter is given by two distinct numbers between which the parameters may be considered to lie, then the estimate is called interval estimate of the parameter. Next, method of moments. This method of estimation is due to Carl Pearson if consists in equating population moments with sample moments. The number of equations is equal to the number of parameters to be determined. If f of x theta 1, theta 2, etc. theta n be the density of a parent population with k parameters theta 1, theta 2, etc. theta k, and mu r dash be the rth moment about the origin, then mu r dash equal to integral varies minus infinity plus infinity x power r f of x theta 1, theta 2, etc. theta n dx, and summation xr into f of x theta 1, theta 2, etc. theta k r equal to 1 to etc. k mu 1 dash mu 2 dash etc. mu r dash all are function of parameters theta 1, theta 2, etc. theta k. Also, if x1, x2, etc. xn be a random sample of size n from the given population such that mr dash is the rth sample moment to estimate the k parameter. So mu 1 dash mu 2 dash etc. mu r dash, and then replace moment mu r dash r equal to 1 to etc. k by the sample moment mr dash mu r dash equal to summation xi power r dividing by n equal to mr dash. This is the principles of method of moments. Next, properties of method of moments. First, number 1, sample moments are consistent estimators of the corresponding population moments. Number 2, under normal conditions, the estimator obtained by method of moments are asymptotically normal. Number 3, estimators determined by the method of moments are in general inefficient, that is, they do not have the minimum variance in the class of estimators distributed normally for large n. Number 4, as the method of moments does not depend on estimation theory, it is unable to give estimate if population moments do not exist. First sum, find the maximum likelihood estimator of theta based on n observation for the density function f of x comma theta 1 plus theta x power theta. Theta is greater than 0, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Solution எல்லா சம்முக்கும் இதே சேம் ஃபார்மேட் L equal to product of I varies 1 to n f of x i comma theta. f of x i comma theta கொஷின்லேயே கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. ஸோ அந்த ஃபார்மேட் எழுதணும். என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் I varies 1 to n 1 plus theta x power theta. ஸோ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா n டேர்ம்ஸ் வரைக்கும் அசியூம் பண்ணிக்கணும். ஸோ 1 plus theta x1 power theta 1 plus theta x2 power theta etc. etc. 1 plus theta x1 power xn power theta. ஸோ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா is equal to 1 plus theta whole power n product of I varies from 1 to n xi power theta. So log L equal to n into log of 1 plus theta into summation log xi. So dou log L dividing by dou theta equal to n into log x வந்து எப்படி எழுதலாம், 1 by x எழுதலாமா. ஸோ எக்ஸுக்கு பதில் 1 plus theta இருக்குது, அதை சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணுவோம். n dividing by 1 plus theta plus n into log g. ஸோ 0 equal to n into 1 by 1 plus theta என்ன வெளியில் எடுத்துடும் plus log g. ஸோ 1 by 1 plus theta plus log g equal to 0. ஸோ 1 by 1 plus theta equal to plus log g ரைட் சைடு வரப்போ நெகட்டிவ் ஆகும். ஸோ மைனஸ் log g. ஸோ மைனஸ் 1 by log g equal to 1 plus theta minus 1 by log g plus 1 வந்து லெஃப்ட் சைடு வரப்போ மைனஸ் 1 ஆகிடும் equal to theta. ஸோ theta gap equal to minus 1 by log g plus 1. This is the answer. next பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு டெஃபினிஷன். என்ன டெஃபினிஷன்னா, unbiasedness. A statistic theta n cap equal to theta n cap into x1 x2 etc. xn is said to be an unbiased estimator of theta if the E of theta n cap equal to theta ன்னு assume பண்ணிக்கணும். There is E of statistics equal to parameter. Example, E of x bar equal to mu. X bar is an unbiased estimator of mu. So E of s square is equal to sigma square ன்னு assume பண்ணிக்கணும். So where s square is equal to summation xi minus x bar whole square dividing by n minus 1. So s square is an unbiased estimator of sigma square. So E of s square is not equal to sigma square ன்னு assume பண்ணினா, where s square வேல்யூ எப்படி இருக்குன்னா xi minus x bar whole square dividing by n ன்னு இருக்கும். that is E of s square is equal to n by n minus 1 into sigma square ன்னு கிடைக்கும். ஸோ s square is not unbiased estimator of sigma square. Thank you students.